Do you have what it takes to think like a winner every day? From facing challenges head-on to believing in yourself, winners always persevere. They set goals, stay focused, and never give up on their dreams. Having a winner's mindset means embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. It's about turning obstacles into opportunities and learning from every experience. A winner's mindset is all about resilience and perseverance. Don't let setbacks or obstacles derail you from your path to victory. Visualize your success and keep that image close to your heart. Stay disciplined and committed to your goals, even when the going gets tough. Every setback is just a setup for a comeback. Keep pushing forward. The journey to success is not easy, but it's worth every challenge. Winners surround themselves with positive influences and stay motivated through hard times. They understand the power of hard work, dedication, and continuous self-improvement. A winner's mindset is not just about winning, but also about personal growth and development. It's about pushing yourself beyond your limits and reaching new heights of success. Each day is a new chance to showcase your winning mindset and make a difference. Remember, you have the power to control your mindset and shape your destiny. Take ownership of your life and create the winning mindset you desire. You are capable of achieving greatness if you believe in yourself. Now, it's your turn to implement these strategies and become a true winner. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep striving for greatness. So, are you ready to embrace the mindset of a winner and achieve your goals? Like this video if you feel inspired, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Thank you for watching, and remember, with the right mindset, anything is possible.